Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Learning is Fun with me. So kids, it's riddle time. I'm going to ask you few riddles related to animals and you have to answer. So let's get started. So our first riddle is, I am brown, I have a long tail, I can climb up the trees, I like to eat bananas.
It's a monkey.
Yes, very good. Okay, next. I am small and green. I have 4 legs. I live nearby the pond. I can jump and I can eat insects.
It's a frog.
Yes, very good. Next is, I am from China. I am fat and lazy. I am black and white. I love eating bamboo shoots. Who am I?
It's a panda.
Yes, very good. Okay, next. I am long. I cannot walk. I have no legs. I am a poisonous animal. Who am I?
It's a snake.
Very good. I am tall. My body is brown with spots. I have got a long neck. I have got small ears. I eat leaves. Who am I?
It's a giraffe.
Excellent. So next is, I am a small animal. I have 4 legs. I have long ears. I love to eat carrots. Who am I?
It's a rabbit.
Very good. Okay, next is, I am brown with black strips. I can run very fast. I live in the jungle. Who am I?
It's a tiger.
Well done. Okay, next riddle is, I am big and green. I have sharp big teeth. I have a long tail. I can swim. I live in the river. Who am I?
It's a crocodile.
Very good. Okay, next. I have 4 legs. I have a beautiful tail. I love to eat grass and corns. I can run very fast. Who am I?
It's a horse.
Very good. So that's all for today, kids. Bye bye and take care.